Y'all giving me anxiety over these COD lobbies.
Oha. Pardon.
Yo, shake.
Area, fire. Okay. Good morning, Victoria. Dawn, thanks for joining in. PA is alright, depending on where you at. My fault. I appreciate the follows. For real. Fucking Kyle, what that say? Can't say your last name, I'm sorry. Jess. I said Ace of Ass. My fault. It's really high traffic out here.
Mine was easily the easy cheese. Like, they're just how fake. Oh my god. Okay, goodbye, everybody.
Timing.
Burp for the boys. For a galaxy.
There you go. It's burnt. Pronto. Alright, ready? Yeah, muscles look great. Thank you.
Excuse me.
Dang, dude, that. Oh my gosh.
Always gonna be something. I do something positive, they don't discuss it. But when it be negative, then people love it, huh? G.O.
Excuse me. Alright, I'll go this year. This year? Yeah. Alright. I'll slide with
It's like a long time ago.
Malik.
Oh, you can't.
I believe nobody will join me. It's really actually weird. It's usually some.
What's up?
Excuse me. Honestly, not worth it. It's good, but
Nice. But, excuse me. I think that's that nobody. No. Known Amigo in so long.
no, look like a rapper. Try to burp. Damn. Cali. You're welcome.
Ali, fuera.
Está bastante bueno. Uno enorme.
Uy, sonó súper duro.
Know all about that. Try to do it. No, a big one coming. No, wait.
How she hit me with this come see me for once. Come and see me for once. Y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me.
I ripped the alphabet.
Me ha pasado que... That's a lot of McChickens. Yeah, I know.
Ain't no money on that. I know, he's gonna talk crap. Damn, no.
I believe you when they told me don't.
So that was it. It wasn't that loud.
Joy Lynn. All right, bet. I'll let people.
You know, will my stomach. Excuse me.
Hello. I don't have any kids. That's what's up.
¡Qué mierda de... Perdóname algo, tocho.
¿Te has quedado a gusto?
Para seguirme, no. Tírate un eructo.
Sergio? Blah. You're good for it, station?
There you go.
You got it.
Oh. No. That was weak. Excuse me. Excuse me. Got him.
Yeah.
Dude, I ain't done.
Treat me this way and still I stand. See my days are full without you, but I'm hurting while I'm here. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back.
There you go, gang. I got you one. What's up, Soraya? Thank you for the follow, Maddie.
Hey, man, niggas had to get off on some niggas, man.
Oh, damn.
Yo, sí.
Uy, ya me acordé de ti, muchacho.
Got you? Yo, hook.
There we go. Rate the name Gage.
Pay up. I want my $10.
There we go. There's.
Where'd you hear that?
That was weak.
No, we're literally on live right now. On live.
I mean.
Ready to take me to the pink beach? You ever farted after that real white gold? No, the insurance. Oh yeah.
Bro, if y'all.
Sorry for cussing.
No, I'm joking.